Good morning, students. Have you read the story of Nina and the baby sparrows? Have you tried to find out the answers of these questions? Beta, the answers are very easy. Okay, so let's discuss the answer of the questions. Okay, the first question is, why was there great joy in Nina's हाउस? नीना के घर में खुशी का माहौल क्यों था? बेटा, लेट्स सी द आंसर. बेटा, रीड दिस लाइन. देयर वॉज ग्रेट जॉय इन नीनाज हाउस. नीनाज आंट वॉज गेटिंग मैरिड. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज there was a great joy in Nina's house because her aunt was getting married. नीना के घर में खुशी का माहौल इसलिए था क्योंकि नीना की आंटी की शादी होने जा रही थी. ओके, आई एम रिपीटिंग द आंसर. देयर वॉज ग्रेट जॉय in Nina's house because her aunt was getting married. Okay, let's see the next question. The next question is, why was Nina worried? नीना चिंतित क्यों थी? नीना को किसकी चिंता थी या वो नीना जो है वो क्यों चिंतित थी? ठीक है. ओके, लेट्स सी दीज लाइन्स. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? These lines shows the worry of Nina. है ना बेटा? ये लाइनें नीना की चिंता को दिखा रही हैं कि वो क्यों चिंता थी. In a simple way, we can write the answer of this question as Nina was worried about the baby's sparrows. Okay, the answer of this question will be Nina was worried about the baby sparrows. नीना जो थी वो बेबी स्पैरोज के लिए चिंतित थी. ओके, let's see the next question. What did mother suggest? मदर ने क्या सजेशन दिया, है ना, क्या सलाह दी? ओके, सो लेट्स सी द लाइन्स. But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. This is the suggestion given by the mother. Nina's mother. नीना की माँ का क्या सजेशन था? We will leave the window open. Okay, so the answer of this question is Nina's mother suggested that they will leave the window open. नीना की माँ ने कहा, सलाह दी कि वो विंडो को ओपन छोड़ेंगे. ओके, व्हाट डिड नीना फाइंड व्हेन शी केम बैक फ्रॉम द वेडिंग? नीना ने क्या पाया जब वो शादी में से वापस आई? ओके, द आंसर इज क्लियर इन दीज लाइन्स. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Okay, so the answer will be Nina found 2 plump little sparrows. Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the रूम. नीना ने क्या पाया कि 2 थोड़ी फैटी लिटिल स्पैरोज जो हैं उसके रूम में चारों ओर उड़ रही हैं. ओके बेटा, लेट्स सी द पेज नंबर 18. ओके, हाउ डू बेबी स्पैरोज ईट. बेबी स्पैरोज जो हैं वो कैसे खाती हैं. वेरी सिंपल बेटा, द बेबी स्पैरोज ईट with the help of their beaks. Okay, the next question is, what new things would you like to wear for a wedding. You can say I would like to wear. इस क्वेश्चन में ये कहा है कि आपको शादी में पहनने के लिए, आप शादी में पहनने के लिए क्या चीज़ पसंद करोगी, है ना. यू कैन से आई वुड लाइक टू वियर, जो यहाँ पर आप वही लिखेंगे जो आप पहनना पसंद करते होगे, है ना. जैसे आई वुड लाइक टू वियर गाउन. ओके, आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू वियर लहंगा, चोली. ओके बेटा, let's see the next question. Number the jumbled pictures story correctly. Okay, then write the story in proper order. Here the pictures are given beta. 5 pictures are here, and below the pictures sentences are written, है ना. And you have to write the story in proper order. Let's read the sentences. Nina is sad. Put the 1 number in this circle. Mother asks why. It is the 2nd number. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. We will give this sentence the number 3. Mother says we will leave the window open. We will give this sentence number 4. Nina is happy again. It is number 5. Okay beta, let's come to the next page. Write the story here. Beta, here you will write these sentences according to the serial number. Okay, number 1, Nina is sad. You will write number 1, Nina is sad. Okay, so complete this page. Okay, let's turn the page. Page number 21. Write down suitable words describing each picture. Pick up the words from the list given below. Okay beta, here the words are given in the box and you have to choose the right for the picture given here. Okay beta, a fat woman, a red rose, a happy boy, a beautiful peacock, a black board, a tall man. Okay beta, so we have completed the lesson, है ना. Let's how we will write in our notebook. Look here beta. First, on page number 14. Okay. Beta, here you will write unit number 2, chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter, Nina and the baby sparrows. Beta, on this page you will draw the picture of a nest. Okay, with the help of book. Okay beta, this picture is given in book also. So draw the picture of a nest. Okay, and on next page, page number 15, new words and meanings. Number 1 is market. Market means bazaar. Number 2, bother. Bother means trouble. Then problem. Problem means difficulty. Next is dress. Dress means clothes. Upset means worry. Remove, to take off. Wedding, marriage. Lovely, beautiful. Plump, chubby. Begin, to start. Okay, I am repeating the meanings in Hindi. बाज़ार, बाज़ार मीन्स बाज़ार, जहाँ से हम कोई भी चीज़ खरीदते हैं. ट्रबल मीन्स कठिनाई, कष्ट. ओके, डिफ़िकल्टी मीन्स कठिनाई. क्लोथ्स मीन्स कपड़े. वरी मीन्स चिंतित. टू टेक ऑफ मीन्स वहाँ से कोई चीज़ हटा देना, कोई चीज़ कहीं से हटा देना. वेडिंग मीन्स मैरिज. मैरिज मीन्स शादी. ब्यूटीफुल मीन्स सुंदर. चबी मीन्स मतलब फ्लैशी, मतलब मोटा थोड़ा. टू स्टार्ट मीन्स शुरू करना. ओके बेटा, नाउ लेट्स सी ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. You will write the question answers. Okay. Question number 1. Why was there a great joy in Nina's house? The answer will be, there was a great joy in Nina's house because because her aunt was getting married. Okay, leave the next line blank, then start from here. Question number 2. Why was Nina worried? The answer will be, Nina was worried about the baby sparrows. The next question is, what did mother suggest? Answer will be, Nina's mother suggested that they will leave the window open. The last question is, what did Nina find when she came back from wedding? And the answer will be, Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Okay beta? Well, I hope you understand the exercise of these stories, Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay, beta, learn the word meaning and question answers also. Okay, we have finished this chapter. Okay, that's all for the day. Bye-bye.